Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today will be a quick tutorial on the mirror, translate, and/or rotation bonus tool for Maya. Check the description for a quick video on how to install Maya's bonus tools. Without further ado, let's get into this. If we go ahead and head up to bonus tools, modify mirror, translate / rotation values, you can see it's a rather simple tool. We have the mirror axis and also the attributes we want to include. If we have an object with obscure values like we do here, see we have a lot of rotation values on this object. This would be hard to mirror without scaling or something, and that's something you don't always want to do. This tool is great because it can intelligently figure out what the new value should be, so no history is lost. So what we can do is say mirror across the z-axis, just the rotation, and you can see it flips the object, converting the attributes as need be. And here you can see it's mirroring locally, kind of on its own axis, but if we want to go ahead and turn on the translation, it will also mirror the translations across whichever axis we have set. This can be handy if we want to flip a bunch of objects. So if we go ahead and zoom out a bit, you can see we have a lot of objects here. We could group them, center the pivot, and scale to a negative value, which would most likely do the trick. But with this tool, it's so easy and it calculates all the new attributes perfectly and without the need to change any of the object's hierarchies or grouping. If you want to follow along by picking up the tutorial files, please be sure to check out my Patreon for bonus downloads and early access content. I hope you can see some of the benefits of using this tool. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit that like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.